Okay, crafty friends, let's give this a try. I thought I would do my first ever unboxing. I bought some stuff from Amazon, and in order to do this one-handed, I went and cut it, but let's see if we can do the rest of it. And I wanted to show some of the awesome things that I got. Now, what would be awesome? And I know this is going to be just crazy. What do you think would be awesome for me? And maybe new stamp supplies. Who knows? But actually, it's paper. I bet you didn't think about that. So I bought a whole bunch of paper. This one is Copic Paper Selections, thick marker paper. And I have bought these because I wanted to do a whole bunch of testing. I want to know what all of these things feel like when I color on it. This next one is B Artist Marker from B Paper. And then I've got some Express It. I've colored on this before, but I ran out. So I bought some more. And then Magna. This is one that I haven't seen before by US Art Supply. Now these are all different prices, price points. So hopefully one of these is going to be perfect for what you got. I've got some more. This one came from the Amazon warehouse. Somebody didn't like it. But that just means that it was cheaper for me, and I love that. So this is Opal Accent, International Paper Accent Opaque Digital. I'll have to post a link, or in the details, I'll say what this is exactly. But that one's kind of a surprise. And then the last one I have is Bright Creations Alcohol Ink Art Paper. I have never seen that one before either. So these are all going to be fun to use. I normally use Nina Crescent, or Classic Crest, or Desert Storm, or what's the other one? Hammer Mill. And sometimes the glitter one, which is Curious Metallic Crayon. So it's going to be a lot of fun to use some of these other ones to see how they work. So anyways, stay tuned. Those are the new things that I got today.